Okay. Okay, teachers, today we're going to be learning about um, how to use Shelby in the classroom, how to become a paperless classroom. But before I do that, I want to reflect my iPad onto the computer and then we can start. Okay, there it is. Now, let me put my iPad to the side and let's log in into Chrome. Once I'm there, I'm going to go into Symbaloo, which Symbaloo is it's a web mix with all your most important websites that you use, and this is mine. And right away, everything's at your fingertips. You don't have to look for anything. All your codes are there. Okay, well, that's another session. But let's just go into what I'm going to teach today, which is Shelby, which is your paperless classroom. Go to Innovate and right here. This is called Shelby. You sign in. Now I'm going to go ahead and just go in because I'm already a user. But since you're new, you would have to log in with your email and then create your own password, etc. Now, once you're here, you are going to have your name. Now, you can edit. How do you want to call it your classroom? I always call mine, I go with the year, which is 1718. This one was just a demo, but let's say you want to create a new class. So you go here to home, click here and put new class, and I'm going to go ahead and call it 2017-2018. And this is going to be the code that you are going to give your students so they can log in. Now, if you want to include a portfolio, well, that's going to cost. It's $179 a year that includes you and all your students. But since, of course, we don't want to pay $179 for now, we just want it for free. I'm just going to show you how to use the free version. And of course, you don't have, parents are not allowed because the same thing, you have to pay. But anyways, we're just going to do the free version. This is the code that the students will need in order to log in into Shelby. The class already exists. Please generate a new code. Okay. And the reason it says that a class already exists is because I've been doing demos and a lot of trainings. So that's why I keep on using the same class. I should just call it another name so I don't have to have that that message. Anyways, so once that you have your code, the students need to log in. So go home and go to your class, and as you can see, this is your code. But then as a student, the students will get their iPad, and on your screen you're going to be seeing your iPad. They log in as students. Let me show you my iPad. There it is. And they're going to add a class. Look right here. They're going to add a class and they're going to put the code, which is right here. So it'll be 7W9C. 7W9C and join. Okay, this is invalid class code. 7W9C. This isn't a valid class code. Okay, let me try again. Would that be, maybe it's VV, right? And again, I'm blind. I need to go get glasses like today. But I'll wait till tomorrow or maybe the day after, since I'm teaching for the next 2 days. So my guys are gonna have to wait. Continue to be blind. Anyway, so now the student already joined the class, and it says the class doesn't have any assignments yet. Now this student, it's Marisol Salinas. I mean, I'm the student, right? But of course you'll have different, all your 20 some students that you have, but the student is only going to be able to see their own work, right? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move my iPad to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and add work to my class 2017-2018. Now that I move my iPad to the side, now I'm the teacher. So I'm going to go here to this, what is this called? Screwdriver? No. I don't know, tool. And you're going to add a new assignment. Let's say I want to add reading. And this is, again, this is just an example. Reading quiz. Here you can put a due date. Let's say I want this assignment to be turned in on August 11th at, let's make it, a lot of the professors make it at 12 midnight, right? But no, let's do 3 p.m. Then here, student access, do you want them, you don't want this, if you don't want the student to see it, you lock the assignment. And then you can do another due date. You want them to only view it, or you want them to work on it. Now I like for them to work on it so you can see how they do it at home. Or maybe it's a story you just want for them to view it, well, you just view it and save it. Once you create your assignment, you're going to go in there and you're going to share your folder. I'm going to go to this plus sign and I'm going to choose from either here, you can choose your file from the computer, from your Google Drive. You can even leave a voice note. And let's see. Yes, you can even leave a voice note. Allow it. You can say, hello, welcome to Reading 101. Don't forget to do your homework. Stop. And if you want to see how it's gonna play. Hello, welcome to Reading 101. Don't forget to do your homework. Save it. And then what you're gonna do, it's gonna go to the students, and it already says one assign. You click there. And as you can see, it's going to be on the iPad. Hello, welcome to Reading 101. Don't forget to do your homework. Okay. So right away, whatever you send to the students are going to get it right away. Now, let's say I want to do let's do some vocabulary cards. Like I don't have a lot of because this is a new computer, so I do not have a lot of documents, but let's try this one. Add it and post it. And again, right, let me bring my iPad. Again, you can see it's coming out and it's right here. This is the student's iPad, remember that. Now the student, the good thing about this is that the student can write on it and you can say, I love work. I mean, of course, I'm just doing it with my finger, but they can do it with a stylus, or, of course, they can be neater. They can also erase it if they don't like it. They can also leave a note. Let's say, I don't understand. Help. Save. They can also leave they can leave another message. or they should be able to leave a voice, but I think my internet is super slow right now because I have 3 kids and they're always on it. Anyways, okay, right there. Teacher, please help me. I don't understand. So then once they do that, the teacher will get that voice note and the teacher will see it right away. Then the student is done. He did not understand the assignment. And then I'm going to go ahead and move this down. Like, and then as a teacher, you're going to get to see the notes that he did and telling her that, oops, I didn't refresh. Hold on. It did not send me the notification. Let me see. Why not? I already put done. And it does say here, as you can see, it has a little attachment. The teacher should have gotten a notification here, like a little one, telling her that this student, Marisol Salinas, did not understand. But again, I live in a rural area. My internet is not so good. But anyways, this is an awesome way to go back and forth with the students and going paperless, teachers. Is it just a little review or preview of what I'm going to be teaching tomorrow. I hope I can see you tomorrow during my presentation. And thank you for, let me close this thing, for watching. And goodbye.